Good evening, I'm Francesco Quagliata, I'm an agronomist in Anzio. Today I'm in Basilicata Region, in the Basilicata Region, and today I'm going to talk about the aromatic plants. Look at the garden. I am in a B&B. There is a mountain, and the road, and here is another house. It's a beautiful place to stay. Look at that. Yeah, beautiful place. So aromatic plants start with rosemary, melissa, valeriana. We are talking about the lavandus. I don't know if I can say lavandus. Well, I don't know. Sorry. Arnica, calendula officinalis, ginestra, myrtus. This is a ginestra, is spontaneous here. It makes the honey. It makes the honey. It's a pollen that fly. Pollen that fly, and this is ginestra. My face, I'm not a ginestra, and lot of species like quercus, and there are spontaneous, mora, the rogo of mora, and we have also, is not in the specific an aromatic plant, but here there is this kind of arboles trees. So talking about lavanda is commonly used in hill and in mountain, but not in the plain. You can plant the lavanda in plain, but the best results you have in hills and mountains, because the flavor is good, and